All right, for 14b, I suggested with the other question I was going to do this a different way, and I will. I know that the general term for an arithmetic sequence is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, now for this particular sequence, the a and the d should be the same here, but right now those are unknowns. So I'm going to take a look at that first little bit of information here. That the fourth term is negative 9. So negative 9 is equal to a, don't know what that is, plus n minus 1. Well, this is the fourth term, so n would be 4, which is going to make this 3. D, don't know what d is. Do the exact same thing over here. Negative 31, okay, is equal to my 15th term. Again, I don't know what a is. But if it's my 15th, if it's my 15th term, n is 15. And so inside the expression there will be 15 minus 1, so it'll be 14 d's. Now, what I have here is a system of equations in two variables. Okay? So I'm going to put a line underneath this, and I can see right away that if I just subtract those two equations there, okay, basically I'm going to apply elimination to this, and I'm going to get rid of the a value. So negative 9 minus negative 31, now remember that's going to change that to a positive, it's going to end up being 22. A minus a disappears, and then 3 minus 14, okay, is negative 11. Divide, and I'll get that d is equal to negative 2. Okay, so right away I know what my d value is. Excellent. Now what I do is I would take and go back up into one of my two original expressions here. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to take that first one because it looks like a little bit easier. The numbers look a little smaller. So negative 9 is equal to a plus 3 times negative 2. Okay, well 3 times negative 2 is going to end up being negative 6. And if I add that to both sides, I'm going to have on the left-hand side negative 9 plus 6. So negative 3 is equal to a. And so from there, I've got both the unknowns that I need. Because remember, to come up with a general term, I need to get the two constants a and d. That's it. That's it. N is a variable, and then this is represented as a function of n. So I need these parts to show up in there. So I need Tn, but I know that my a value is negative 3, n minus 1, and I know that the d is negative 2. Now, what I should do here, although is simplify this by expanding that out. So it'll be negative 3 minus 2n plus 2, or negative 2n minus 1 as my general term.